tractors, so I'll have a good look around and yeah, see what some proper ploughing's meant to be like. Yeah. That was a good one. Right, I'm filming.
Yes, I thought I might as well just use your commentary.
How dare you?
Say hello, Johnny.
Hello everybody. Hello everybody on HS Agricultural Channel. Hey, alright. Yes, I've had my hair cut, look. We'll have a look at some ploughing. Yeah, people are going to show me how to plough.
I'm trying to take the vape out of my hand and make a wobbly camera.
Need a gimbal, remember, think chicken.
Was that you that was going on about that, or somebody else was going on about that?
That was me.
Making your head like a chicken.
Making your head like a chicken, yeah.
I remember now. I remember.
Think gimbal, think chicken. Teams like there, that's brand new.
Oh yeah.
Brand spanking new. Yeah.
I do think if we need any commentary regarding ploughing, we're going to have to use you, because I don't do ploughing.
I try.
I deal with the green stuff at the top, not the brown stuff underneath.
I like it when I can go slowly with a big tension and it leaves it reached up like that.
Yeah.
You leave it up.
Nice advantage of CVTs, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Mm.
If ever wants to know anything about ploughing, John's the man to talk to. As you can see, this is what ploughing's meant to look like. And I'd say we'd cut to a picture of mine, but we won't.
You don't want to do comparison, no?
No!
That is shiny, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Come on. Give it. Johnny's going to ruin the shot. Seems to be. Hey, the fun and game. Where'd you go now?
I'm going to Chuck Norris him in a minute.
Fun and games of a bumblebee. You can't Chuck Norris a bumblebee. Don't Chuck Norris the bumblebee. You know you're going to come off first.
He's my best friend. I'm going to name him Brian. Gone.
I don't think he liked the name Brian.
No.
Seen it.
This was originally a 40-foot IAB trailer that I used to use for the sea. Since we got the big drill, the IAB trailer could become redundant really. But we needed a trailer for when we're planting for the boxes of plants. So Lee in the workshop cut the old IAB trailer up, and we sort of built this out of little bits and borrowed parts, and basically from scratch. So you've got this flatbed, donkey engine on the front, a couple of hydraulic connections at the back.
Hang on, I need the donkey engine. There we go, donkey engine. That's that bit. Go on, carry on.
And then the drawbar on the back, which attaches to a high tip trailer. So we've got the organic chicken pellets that get, you know, spread onto the ground with the crop. Well, just a few trickle onto the roots. That attaches to the back, so it's like a one-stop system. So you've got all your plants on the front for your planting, and then you've got your high tip trailer on the back with the donkey engine running, so you can lift it up, tip it, do all you want, and there's no need to have a tractor attached to it. You know, it can get dropped off in the field, full of plants, full of pellets, and it's good, you know, good for a day. Before you'd have to have a tractor sat on the trailer to be able to tip up, and you know, so yeah, it's good. It's definitely, it's made things easier. You know, it's just one more spare tractor we've got.
I keep going into selfie mode, and
Right.
just nobody needs to see that. That is just. Well, I would say it's a plough and a half, but when you actually look at it properly, it is just two ploughs.
Just 2 ploughs. Yeah. This. I mean, I've got to forgive the rustiness because it's rained on it and it wasn't oiled. And grease, so she's rusty.
We know the story. We won't go into the story, but you know, it's not entirely Johnny's fault.
No, it's not.
But yeah.
So I'm going to have to get these shined up soon enough. But this plough on the back, this 4-furrow is a fully functioning, normal 4-furrow reversible.
Yeah. If we look,
you can drop it off
down here.
Down there.
There, your lower link bars. That's your standard top link headstock. So it is just a 4-furrow plough with a fancy press on it.
Yeah. That's it. So you honestly, you can drop that off and put that on the smaller tractor and go ploughing.
Yeah.
And then you can just use the front.
Use the big one if conditions are bad that you ain't going to pull the lot.
Yeah. We've never had to. Never actually had to.
Yet.
Yet.
Just see if we can get it sort of. Oh, it's just.
You gotta really forgive me for the rusty boards because it's like an amateur thing now.
Yeah. Like I said, we won't go into it, but
No.
There's a reason behind it.
No.
My God, Johnny, what big balls you have.
Yes, that's got four balls. Huge, aren't they? Look at them weighty old things, you know.
Oh, immaturity's coming back in. Oh, let me brew all the way down the bottom. I left me coffee. Hang on, I'll be back in an hour. I'm just going to go back to the wheel.
I'll set off camp at this end.
Maybe sometime. Can you hear me up there, Johnny? So yeah, I mean, you've seen this thing quite a bit on Johnny's channel, and I mean, it is immense. I mean, it is. How long do you say it is, Johnny?
How long is it? It's over 50 foot when you've got the tractor on the front. It's like 50.
The tractor and as a whole rig.
Yeah, it's long. So you can imagine corners take some thinking about.
Yeah, because that wheel's a long way back, and anybody that's driven anything with wheels right at the back,
you know.
They don't tend to go round the corners.
No. Especially when you're actually ploughing, you think. So that's your linkage there. So your front wheel of your tractor.
Bye, Johnny.
Your front wheel of your tractor's here. So all the way back there is your last furrow. So when you're in a 90-degree.
Hang on, let's get sort of as if you were sat on the weight block.
Yeah, so I'm sat on the weight block, and that's where your last furrow is. So when you're trying to plough all the field,
Should have gone to Specsavers.
It takes. Yeah, it does get you swiller there.
Yeah.
You've got to have a master plan. You know, I haven't found one yet. But...
So yeah, that's plough, and over that tractor there is what used to be Johnny's World.
Yeah, it was. Yeah.
Before the 240.
Yeah. Well, kind of. Yeah. I got that one, then I had that 165 in there, then the 240.
Ah.
Then the 1050. So I've really gone.
just up the scale to the point of no return. Right, so this is Johnny's 12-metre Catros Plus Amazon discs.
12032 TS. Whatever that means, I'm not quite sure. The 12-metre discs.
12-metre discs behind the 1050.
Yeah. And,
with 4 subsoiler legs. It did have 6, but 2 were taken off, not because the tractor couldn't cope, but because you couldn't get a clear.
You didn't get that lifting action.
Yeah, it was too much stuff passing between the gaps in the legs, and you were suffering with blockages.
Yeah.
And the fact that 4 should be enough.
Yeah, it is. Like I say, they're on a shallow, they're just lifting them.
Yeah, just taking the wheelings back out, fluff it back up, ready to go through the disc, isn't it, really?
If everything's level when they go into the discs, it'll be level when it comes out.
It comes out, yeah.
If you've got a couple of wheelings in front of the discs, you're going to see the wheelings again. Not that they're compacted, it's just the soil. You know. Yeah,
it's a void there that it can only fill it. It can't fill it back in to the extent of the rest of the working width.
Yeah. But,
I'm still saying I've no idea whether anyone's going to find this actually an interesting video.
I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. I'd like to think so.
Yeah, people do seem to like tours and machinery discussions.
A lot of people ask me for farm tours. A lot of people, but I can't do like we do right now. We're looking at the machinery, but I can't do a farm tour.
You can't video it and talk about it at the same time, so
like security reasons, you can't show everybody your sheds.
Yeah, but what's in the sheds and where the sheds are and the addresses, no. Yeah, I've got to admit, when I did a farm tour with Mum and Dad's, I got a lot of people asking exactly where it was, and it's like, not a good idea to say that.
No.
We're in North. There you are. You want to know where Johnny works? He works in the North.
Yeah, that sign on the A1 that says the North.
In the UK.
Up there.
We're UK. We're not north of the UK.
Yeah.
We're babbling.
Antarctic.
New. Too cold. North? Can't go crops very well.
Making me sound stupid.
Arctic. Arctic's north, Antarctic's south.
Is it?
Yes. I think if anyone wants to correct us on our varying stupidity, feel free.
Oh dear. Yeah, so that's the unfolded.
They are a good big set of discs.
Yeah.
There you go. Discs. So we couldn't miss out showing the drill. Unfortunately, it is parked in the shed, so we can't see the full extent of it.
No.
But I'm going to pass you straight on to Johnny with this, because I don't understand it. All I know is this here is like your average drill in my area, the average big working drill in my area. Most people are running like 3 metre combis, and you've got 6 metres on. It is 6 metres on this side, isn't it? And 6 metres to the other side, which, if maths is correct, that's 12 metres. That's just... See, look! BKT. They can't be that bad. They're putting on new stuff. I'm still a huge advocate of them BKTs. I don't know whether the 1050 would be happy on a set.
You can only have it, you know.
Trelleborg?
Trelleborg, yeah, but Trelleborg, you can't get the pressures down like you can with Michelin. Trelleborg are a little bit more. They're not. Carcass isn't quite. If you could have a Michelin carcass and Trelleborg tread,
You'd be...
perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect tyre.
Anyway, we're digressing because we're talking about tyres when we should be talking about SS Monster Super Duper. Oh wow, this is immense. Just looking at the chassis on this thing. I mean, that's... Do you want to come for a bit of comparable to the chassis? Because I mean, the chassis looks tiny when you put it next to my hand. I mean, it's like Jonny's midsection.
It is. Yeah, it is. And it's the built thing about Amazon kit. The built strong.
Yes.
Yeah. So
But I mean, it's some piece of kit, isn't it?
yeah, it is. I mean, it even looks small in the shed. But when you get it on the back of the 240, it's out in the yard.
Yeah.
And especially when it's unfolded.
I mean, I bet it'll make... You fill that full of seed, it'll fair make the 240 cuff.
Well, full, yeah. So we fill that fair work because it's the hopper's there. It'd be counterproductive not to.
Well,
you know, when we're on cereals, not to fill it up. Because I mean, the area that you can cover between refilling is huge.
yeah.
And if I just put half a tank in it.
I mean, it is all proportion comparable, isn't it? You've got a big tank, you've got a big working area. It's designed to cover acres.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Yeah. If you have like this front hopper that's on the 240 in a minute, if you have that on a 12-metre drill,
Yeah.
you need to fill it up every round.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, this is the thing. I don't want to talk too much about organic farming processes, mainly because I don't want to start and the organic side of it.
Yeah.
But one thing I do know, because there's no chemicals involved, your drilling regime has got to be tight, because your cultivation, your drilling, is your weed and pest control, isn't it? If you know, if it's all well, any part of organic farming, it's all about husbandry. If you can get your husbandry right, in theory, you'll have the process right.
Yeah, right.
So
we've got the big kit because we've got a lot of ground to cover, and some farms maybe have more ground to cover and smaller kit, but we're organic and we've got a lot of ground to cover, and its timeliness is massively. You know,
Yeah,
you've got to get it at the right
you can't just do that. Oh, we'll spray it out. It's not the option. It's got to be. It's basically got to be right when you turn in with the plough.
Yeah,
it's got to be right from the kickoff.
Yeah, it does. Every process has got to be right. If part of that stage is wrong and not done very well, or done at the wrong time, wrong stage, then it has a massive impact.
It'll knock on in terms of yield and, you know, productivity of the land.
Yeah. So having stuff like this is great, because when you have that spell, when you have that window of opportunity, the amount of ground you get covered is massive.
Yeah.
It's huge.
So that is SS Super Duper. What is the proper terminology for it?
Sit down.
No, your proper terminology. Because I just keep throwing many words into it to make it look far more interesting.
I do.
Oh, you're changing it all the time as well.
I think really we've gone like the SS Enter drill. No, is that the plough?
Yeah, it's SS Enter plough, isn't it? As opposed to SX.
Turbo drill X 5000, super drill, mega drill 22X. I don't know.
It's just a massive drill.
Yeah.
And it's I mean, I'm hoping we're getting a true sort of indication. I mean, this is. Well, I mean, if you're 6 metres wide long there, and you're going to be another. I'm trying to think of what you'd be on. you'd be another 3 metres to the to the actual end of your back of your tractor, wouldn't it? So you're like 9 metres plus the tractor. So I mean, this probably won't be far off. Well, it'd be the length of the plough with the back one taken off, wouldn't it?
I didn't measure it. I think it's 14 metres from end to end.
Jesus.
When it's on the tractor.
Yeah.
I think.
Your toys are just massive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, so that's another long process. So yeah, we're going to stop talking about drill, and we are going to have a look at 240.
When you're using that combi drill and it rains and it's dusty.
Yes. So we're going to have a look round Jonny's 1040. His little pride and joy.
240, not 1040.
240. Yes. I've amalgamated your. Does that mean you've got like a... What would it be? A face.
A face. Yeah, yeah, it would, yeah. Face 1040.
Yeah. Sounds better than a Kent.
A Kent, yeah, it does.
Sounds like you're calling somebody a rude word and trying to disguise it. So anyway... Yeah. Regain composure.
Oh, dear me.
No, we've lost it. It's gone. It's gone. So anyway,
Yeah, the 240. She's in a. If this had all been planned and.
she's in a working clothes.
She's in a working clothes.
Yes.
So, yeah. This is as bad as she'll ever get, mind you.
Yeah.
Absolutely itching to get her cleaned and get the cab valeted.
Yeah, but I mean, you're in the middle of drilling.
Yeah.
The ground's dry. We are getting occasional showers. You're going to get dust, and it is going to settle. I mean, this isn't just sort of blowing on. This is. But if you look,
Yeah, it's clean underneath. Look.
see, it's not all stained in. It is actually just sat on the top of the paintwork.
Yeah.
Now that another shameless plug for chrome, a bit of TFR with wax.
Sort it right out.
Oh, we're terrible for these shameless plugs.
We are, aren't we?
We're not sponsored by Chrome. We don't get freebies off Chrome. Me and Jonny both agree the products are great, and they deserve more recognition, don't they? I mean, there isn't that many people really that know about it, because it is just. Yeah. It's just one of them companies. It's not sort of, you can't go into Halfords and get your Chrome products.
No.
But they are really easy to get hold of.
Business with
yes.
Quality stuff,
Yes.
It's not mass produced.
No.
Rubbish.
The guy you speak to in the front of shop is the guy that's developed the stuff.
His business.
Yeah.
He makes.
So.
Yeah. So cab's not clean as it's ever been, and there's a few. I've got a few control boxes in here all over the place.
You can't really fault that really
no,
too much, can you?
There's a coffee stain here.
Hang on, wait.
But to be honest, to my credit, that floor's never really had a boot on it.
No.
Never. So when that tractor goes, that's like a virgin. This is me sacrificial.
A virgin floor.
Yeah. I have the mat on top of the carpet. It's called a sacrificial mat. Yeah.
Aye.
This is the office.
This is mini office. Setting ran away.
Yeah.
So
you'll have to forgive that lopsided, because my control box for power arrows here.
Hang on.
And that it sits on top of my control box for power arrows.
Nobody's seen it. Oh, it's right. Yeah. Nobody's seen it. Shh, get away with that one. So yeah, I mean this is the office. I mean, I have spent a few days on a smaller Puma. That was a 145, and as most people know, I have spent time on that T7 Blue Power, which is 270, which is basically the blue equivalent to this. Yeah. Although the sort of older model, the updates are minor in cab roots, really. Cab roof and a few other little bits. Yeah. But I mean, worst places to spend the day.
Yeah. I love the case layout.
I do really like the armrest layout. I've always said this ever since driving that Puma, and then against that T7.
Yeah.
Case got this more right than New Holland.
Yeah.
I do like all this.
Yeah.
All up the beat. I know that's very a Marmite thing. You either love it or hate it. I, as a rule, love it.
Yeah, I do.
I've never been a fan of that.
Well, the box.
A place to throw crap and stare
Well,
at all
yeah,
day.
to be fair, yeah. It's meant to be a cool box because if you put if you put drinks and stuff in it, it does cool stuff down really nicely. But
so you just like to keep your chrome products cool?
Yeah, basically. There's the only letdown in
am I right in thinking this
storage.
Is? Hang on.
That's me cool fresh.
Cool fresh. So you're trying to keep it cool. Another shameless plug.
Goodness sake.
Oh, we're throwing them in.
Yeah,
we're throwing them in. I don't know why we are, but we're
never introduced to anybody. This is Todd. Right, this is my tractor guard dog, and I've had my missus bought me him absolutely donkeys years ago. And every single tractor I've ever had, or every job I've ever had where I've driven a machine, he's come with me. And I've never mentioned him on a video, but he's always there, and he's like my little guardian angel, like my little mascot. I know it's really sad, but she just got me him. I don't know why. There were no rhyme or reason to it, but I don't know if anyone's ever. That's a little.
Yeah, you always had him, and you've always had him in the cab with you.
Always. And he just sits up there.
So yeah, for people watching Johnny's video, don't forget to keep your eye out for Todd from now on.
Yeah. Why he's called Todd, I don't know. He misses named him.
We just need to get more videos going regularly.
Yeah, I know. And I spend too much time in these.
Yes, I say. I mean, it's not easy in our line of work trying to get the videos, you know. And I know you put a hell of a lot more effort into your editing than I do. Hence the reason I can get them out.
I don't know. I don't think your editing's really come on. I think.
Yeah,
but last like 12 months.
Just speaking to you and Chris, where you're spending days trying to edit everything again. I'm spending hours, but then again, you like your polished sort of videos, which for what you're trying to show, trying to show people sort of how you're doing what you're doing. Then
that's sort.
Whereas I'm sort of, I want to show the warts and all, and want to sort of leave all my mistakes in.
I'll leave mine in.
Which there are many.
I don't make any.
Well, we can't all be perfect.
You're kidding. I'm terrible. So I've got so good at editing.
So yeah, I mean this is
it's just
240, not 1040.
Yeah, 240. Yeah. She's 3 years now, I've had her.
3 years,
3 years, and this is inside this cab at the minute. It's as dirty as she ever gets, and the outside is as well. Normally,
I mean, you know,
and it's not.
Some people that will aim nameless. Take note. This is his idea of a filthy cab.
It is. I mean, look. Watch this. Look. Some dust there. Look. It's not good. It's no good.
You're right.
And that bonnet shouldn't look like that.
We've had this discussion about we spend more time in these cabs than we do in the living room, and we would be upset if we come home and our living room is 2 inches deep in varying things that come out of varying orifices.
Yeah.
Or what's lying around on fields.
It's got to be a happy place.
Yes. If it's happy and clean and you're happy in here, then you'll be more productive.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
that's right. No, it's been a cracking tractor. I'll be sad. I will miss it when this goes next year. Absolutely, I will miss it.
I'll save me pennies.
She
might be a bit overkill for what I do, but I'll save me pennies.
You'll be fine.
I'm not buying the 1050 when that comes up for sale. That turned me out of my price range. So yeah, there we go. There's the Puma.
Yeah. There's nothing much, much special about it, but it's just been a cracking tractor.
Yeah, it's
the flagship of the Puma range. It's a big Puma.
Yeah, you go up, you're into a new range, so
yeah.
No,
it's been good.
Yeah.
And in case some people slate case a lot, and I drive the 1050 and I drive this, and I don't slate this. I don't slate in the slightest. It's also
for what you use it to. It's bob on for the job.
It's bang on, and pulling wise, no other. In my opinion, this is just my opinion. no other tractor of the same horsepower could outpull it. And I'm absolutely convinced. I'm convinced that put this against 724, they should pull it.
You reckon it would?
Oh, absolutely pull out outpull a 724, and then like a John Deere. Oh, this is going to really annoy people.
Come on, let's annoy the green and yellow wheel fans.
Yeah, the 6.215s. Yeah, technically this has got more horsepower than
yeah.
You know, the 215 that. And I've seen videos of 240s versus 215s. There's loads of it in the two. They all seem to win. I think that's cases. Some the build quality can let them down sometimes. You know, some Friday night tracks.
Yeah.
What's
yeah.
under that bonnet, and now it gets its power to the floor is where
they've got it.
They've always been.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Proper pulling tractors.
Yeah.
They haven't got the same refinements as you have on John Deere's.
Yeah, but I mean, it's not an unpleasant place.
It's not basic, is it? It's not basic.
Anyway, we've waffled on and made another long clip.
Yeah, we are. Sorry.
So on that note, back to the studio. Oh no, we haven't got a studio, have we?
Oh, we can pretend.
Yay! We're going to pretend we're going to go back to the studio.